Isang magandang Biyernes sa inyong lahat, and thank God it's a Friday, February 4, 2022. Happy birthday nga pala sa aking anak, no? Sam Teodoro, who's celebrating his 24th birthday today. Welcome po sa isa na namang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Teodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. At inumpisahan ko po itong aking YouTube video noong August 2020. Nire-report ko rin po ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at most active stocks. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, mag-subscribe naman po kayo sa aking channel. At kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review using technical analysis, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa JFC at PHILEX. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. February 4, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, let's start with our financial headlines. And sa macro news, IHS market sees PH growth normalizing this year. And we also have NED says Philippines needs a strong competition policy. And at sa ating company news, SM to open 200 Alphamart stores in 2022. Sa kanya pala yung Alphamart, ano? So kung nakikita niyo po yung mga 24-hour stores, no, ng Alphamart, SM pala yun. SM Retail. So, Glow Fast Track cell site builds and upgrades. JFC to open West Malaysia store next week. Ito po yung ating main news. Cebu Pacific says more domestic destinations ease travel requirements. Okay, punta muna tayo dito sa Business World. Jollibee's West Malaysia store opens doors next week. Maganda yung kanyang interior, so. Jollibee Foods, the first restaurant in West Malaysia, is set to open next week. The company said in a statement on Thursday. The company said the first branch will open on February 8, which will be located at Sunway Pyramid, Klang Valley. West Malaysia covers Malaysian capital city, Kuala Lumpur. Jollibee West Malaysia's restaurant design will feature bright and bold wall murals showing the company's food offerings, business history, and wide store network. Jollibee said the branch can accommodate 62 people while complying with physical distancing guidelines. The company previously said it plans to open at least 120 Jollibee stores in West Malaysia in the next 10 years through a joint venture between Singapore-based JFC unit Golden Plate Pte Limited and B-Works Investment Pte Limited. Jollibee operates across 34 countries through over 5,800 stores. It has 8 wholly owned brands, namely Jollibee, Chowking, Greenwich, Red Ribbon, Mang Inasal, Yongki King, Hong Zhuang Yuan, and Smash Burger. By the way, ikwento ko lang po sa inyo, when I was an OFW in Hong Kong, na-assign po ako sa Hong Kong branch ng aking bangko, meron pong Jollibee doon. Meron po siya sa tabi ng aming bangko at meron po siyang isang branch along Connaught Road. And maraming kumakain doon, ha? Karamihan pong kumakain doon. May mga locals, may mga Pilipino din. Pero yung fare nila, kapareho lang po ng Manila, pero mas mahal lang ng konti kasi Hong Kong. Hong Kong dollars ang bayad mo doon. Medyo mahal. Dahil mas mataas ang standard of living sa Hong Kong. So, it goes the same with other countries. Sa atin lang naman yung medyo convert mo to local currency kasi yung Hong Kong dollars. Uy, ang mahal. Anyway. Yan lamang po. So, tingnan po naman po natin yung susunod nating balita tungkol sa PHILEX, ano? Okay, PHILEX eyes April listing for 3 billion rights offer shares. PHILEX Mining Corp targets the listing of its 3.15 billion rights offer shares on April 5, its finance chief said on Thursday, as the listed firm prepares to explore prospective copper and gold site in Mindanao. Ito po yung silangan. Based on our latest submission with the SEC, the timeline for this launch estimated a listing date of April 15, said PHILEX Chief Finance Officer Romeo B. Bachoco in a virtual media roundtable. He said the company engaged BDO Capital Investment Corp to assist in the stock rights offering. Proceeds from the fundraising will be used to invest in Silangan Copper Gold Project in Surigao del Norte, which will be led by its subsidiary Silangan Mindanao Mining Inc. The project will require an initial investment of $244 million on its first phase, which will be the 2.5 years of developing the mine until its completion in late 2024 or early 2025. PHILEX will not pursue open-pit mining for the Silangan projects, its officials said, because of the upcoming change in political leadership and the uncertainty of future industry policies. Ahead of the national election in May, the current administration on December 23 lifted the 4-year ban on open-pit mining. PHILEX estimated a cost of another $130 million to revert to the project to the open-pit method. Mining firm is hoping to be more consistent industry policies in the future so it can show the benefits of sustainable mining. Okay? So, uncertain nga yun, ano? Kasi iba-iba po yung mga pananaw ng ating mga presidential aspirants, no? Tungkol dyan sa mining. Okay. So, tingnan po natin ngayon ang mga comments ng ating mga subscribers. I think I read one here. Sabi ni Anime TV. Bearish po ba ang RCR? Anong price po okay mag-buy or sell? Thanks po. Okay, include po natin si RCR today. So, by the way, on Monday, live nga pala po tayo, no? So, we will begin mga 10 minutes before closing time. So, that would be about 12:50 kasi 1 po yung closing ng PSE, no? So, mga 12:50 po tayo mag-start and I'll be entertaining your request and we will be live up to 12:15, no? 12:10 to 12:15 as the PSE closes. Okay? Announcement lang po yun. And we will do that every Monday thereafter. Okay, let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index and the Philippine Stock Exchange on what happened to trading today. Okay, let's put up our indicators first. The PSEI gained 73.58 points or 1% up to finish at 7456.35. So, mukhang nagko-consolidate lang po ito sa level na ito. Actually, yung level na po ito is already resistance level with our indicators well under the candlesticks, no? So, yung pinaka-support po natin ay masasabi po natin between EMA 50 and EMA 100. So, yung EMA 50 po ay nasa 72.37 and EMA 100 is at 71.46. So, between 72 and 71 po ang ating support level. But the resistance is mga 7,300 po. Nasa 72.56 po eh. Oh, sorry. Nasa 74.56 ang ating pinaka-resistance to 7,500 level. Now, kung titingnan man natin yung ating market activity, 110 companies advanced, 80 declined, while 54 remained unchanged. The all-share index also registered a decline of 0.71%. Only the financials and the services were in the red. Pero yung holding companies, industrials, mining, and properties are up, led by mining at 1.99%. Yung most active naman po natin ay tignan po natin, ano? So, we will be reviewing the following, ano? So, tignan po natin si RCR, SMC, SPNEC, Converge, and Dito. Yan. Umpisa na natin kay RCR. By the way, may additional pahabol pala, no? May pahabol po dito. Si Rudy Mateo, good morning po. Sir, pasilip po ng SMC. So, sinama na po natin si SMC at maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. New subscriber, welcome Christian David. Salamat po. And now, let's take a look at RCR. Bearish po siya. Actually, between bearish to sideways po, no? Kasi yung ating 50-day EMA ay nasa ilalim pa po ng candlestick, which would mean that on a medium term, we would say that it's sideways to bullish. Nasa 7.94 po ang 50-day. Pero yung 20-day ay nasa itaas na po, no? Nasa 83 or 8.30. So, well, actually, my assessment is bearish to sideways po si RCR. Ang pinaka support po niya ay pwede nating ilagay sa EMA 15 nasa 7.94. On the other hand, the nearest resistance would be here at this level, nasa 8.72. Now, after that will be SMC. Bearish si SMC. Kita ko kagad yung candlestick. Nandito po yung pinaka-support niya. Nasa 110 po yung pinaka-support ni SMC. And dahil po nasa taas po yung ating mga indicators, ay mukhang lackluster yung kanyang trades, ano? Ang volume po niya is 82.80 thousand shares valued at 9.13 million. Not much, no? Not much. RSI is also bearish at 37.89. Si BDO Securities po, ang kanyang assessment ay neutral, pero may upside po siya, no? 126 po yung kanyang presyo kay SMC, pero neutral po yung kanyang assessment on the stock. Okay, after SMC, tignan naman natin si SPNEC. Nag-profit taking si SPNEC. Okay, so right now ay 2 red candlesticks at mukhang nag-profit taking po siya after several successive green candlesticks, but the RSI is still bullish at 68, no? Kasi overbought na po ito eh. So nakikita na po yung resulta ng RSI po natin na overbought, pero bullish pa po siya at 68, and our short-term indicator for Solar Power Nueva Ecija is still the short-term indicator is still under the candlestick, which would indicate a bullish trend. Okay, and then after SPNEC, Converge. Si Converge, wow, bearish si Converge, no? It has been moving sideways since dito no October 19 to onward, sideways na po siya. Pero ngayon ay bumagsak na po, no? Nasa 28 pesos na lang, pero usually dapat nasa 30 to 32 or 33 lang po naglalaro si Converge. But it went down. May news kaya? Baka market sentiment lang po. No? Nasa support level po siya ngayon at 28. No? Kasi ito po yung pinaka-support po niya. Let's do a 1-week chart. Tingnan natin yung 1 week. Yan, no? Nasa support level po siya dito. Or somewhere here. Baba. Nasa 27.30 to 28 po ang pinaka-support niya. Balik natin sa 1 day. Yan po si Converge. Pinaka-resistance po nasa 33. Pero I'm more concerned on the support Kasi pagka nag-break po yan, the next support level would be here. Ito yung resistance na naging support 24. No? 24 po. Okay, and then Merrimart. Uy, nagkaroon siya ng bounce and hopefully pero bearish po yung sentiment Kung nakikita niyo po yung indicators na nasa taas lahat nasa taas and oversold na po siya, so it's just about ripe na magkaroon po ng bounce po dito. Pero dito po nagkaroon po siya ng bounce pero hindi po siya tumuloy, dire-diretso pa rin po siya dire-diretso pa po yung kanyang pagbaba. So hopefully hindi po mangyari dito sa Merrimark, but I'm seeing otherwise Nasa 34 po yung RSI, which is a bearish number. And then si dito naman, may magandang balita kaya dito. Nagkaroon siya ng green candlestick today, but it's still bearish. Although above average volume, the sentiment is actually bearish. Support po is here at 5.02. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. So, abangan po natin ang mangyayari dito kasi po kinancel po niya yung SRO niya. And that led to a negative market. Well, it continued the negative market sentiment on dito. Okay, yan po ang ating report. Sa stock market, ika-4 ng Pebrero 2022. Ito po si Benji Teodoro reminding you, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Happy weekend, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.